Chevre, we're back at my cafe, aber die will aber gebringt man nur dit für Monsey Motche Pinkes. Motche?
Reb Chaim, schkorig van riefen, kon ihm das schmeckt, du, es schmeckt von einem Restaurant like never before. Die ganze Gegend. Kon ihm der Weg, wie lange hast du mir gesagt?
I told you it's about 20 minutes, 25 minutes?
25 minutes, unkan Traffic.
Für Monsey.
Für Monsey.
This is such a gem for Monsey people. Monsey mensen gaat man, it's 25 minutes.
Schmeckt, vader ga eraan, du. Just wat de schmeckt.
Vader schmeckt, just for the drive.
For the drive.
Die ruge drive für Monsey, kommst du raus mit da, Mischbuche, kommst du raus mit da.
Das ist es. Befragt, es schneit in draußen, ja, gibt der Wetter.
So welcome to Passaic, New Jersey, my cafe. Passaic, 25 minutes from Monsey. Amachai, 25 minutes from Linden. And 35 minutes from Brooklyn. Let's go.
Kimmeran, ja.
Welcome guys, welcome family, how we doing?
Good to see you.
Hi family, how we doing today?
I want to introduce you to my friend Motche.
Nice to meet you,
Monsey.
From Rafael, nice to meet you.
Monsey right next here, right
25 minutes away from here.
You got a lot of hits on my video last time.
I did?
You got, everybody's talking about you. Every time a follower coming in, they all sent me videos of you.
Wow.
Best waiter out there. I want you now to show my friend Motche from Monsey.
Come on,
wow, thanks for bringing me.
It's going to be the new hood for Monsey.
Yes, it is.
Monsey, my cafe is your new restaurant.
Welcome, come right into my cafe.
Nice. Wow.
Look at that.
Kijk wie shine. Reb Chaim, wie is het me gebrengt door Reb Chaim?
We got fresh pastries made every day.
Wow.
In-house, yes, for sure.
Motche, everything's in-house over here.
In-house, dit zijn niet geen gekaufte Sachen, gebackene Sachen. Wow.
Everything here is custom, delicious, fresh, made here.
I'm also working with 4 of the state-of-the-art machines to make your coffee, espressos, lattes. Everything is made in-house, nice and fresh. Salad and pizza station. I have nice pizzas, nice salads that he is making. Everything is made here and fresh.
Right now?
He's making the pizza right now for yours to see.
Dat was één.
Motche, get back here. Fun.
Yeah, and we treat it with love here. Everything is made with love and dedication. That's what important here. Love and dedication.
Dat is fleischig, dat zegt nog wel. Hij lijkt eraan de hart.
Hey, good. He's asking if meat, not dairy. But he's putting his heart in there.
Oh, no. Everything is dairy. Turnipple and PCK are my both certifications I have, okay?
Unreal.
Both of them.
Wow.
Hi, so now we're gonna make a salad for you. It's called crispy kale salad. Kale salad.
Nice, okay.
It's made with halloumi cheese, squash, arugula, kale, pomegranate seeds, honey mustard dressing. Really good. Halloumi cheese, we warm it up, perfection. It adds a different taste to the crispy kale salad. Here we have our squash that we warm it up as well, so it can add a nice texture to the salad. Goes in the oven.
Wow, Chaim, deze doet dit er nog?
Warms up over there, look at that. Beautiful.
Unreal.
Crispy.
Chaim, kijk the bubbles. Unreal.
Puta madre. I mean, this is our mushroom truffle pizza.
Wow. Chaim, ik ben schon zater.
Look at those bubbles, look at those bubbles.
Good.
So now we're gonna add arugula to it.
Arugula? What's arugula?
Arugula is a leaf. Put in arugula. She's gonna cut it first for you.
Okay. Wow. Ich darf sehen der arugula. Deze arugula?
Arugula, yeah.
Chaim, kijk dat waar arugula?
Bissl.
Pon el queso encima. And this is our 6-hour cheese, okay?
6-hour cheese.
Was meint das? Man darf warten 6 Stunden noch essen Fleisch?
I think so. Look at this oil here.
Now that the Dubai drink is ready, we should head to our table.
Wow. Chaim, hast du gesehen, der Dubai drink?
This is a Dubai drink.
No way.
Wow. What'd you set up over here?
I have some Baja fish tacos, which are my favorite. Some nachos, my favorite salad, crispy kale salad that we were talking about, and the mushroom truffle pizza.
Rafael, I need you to explain it to my friend Motche. Explain each one, like you said, it's your baby, it's your...
These are my Baja fish tacos. They come with a cabbage, sea bass, avocado, and 2 sauces.
Wow, it's so
really
appetizing.
Good. Really good.
Wow.
My favorite are nachos. Crispy corn tortilla, melted white cheddar cheese, guacamole.
Tacos? What's this?
Nachos. Guacamole, pico de gallo, and black olives. These are my favorite. These are the salmon tacos. They come on a flour tortilla, guacamole, pico de gallo, banana peppers, and grilled salmon. 2 sauces on the sides.
No way.
This is the best part. If you're not washing, these are okay because they're Mazonos. Okay?
Oh,
knows.
These are Mazonos. If you're not washing, these are Mazonos. So it's a good choice, okay?
Nice.
This is our urban burger. It's our meatless burger. Really good.
This is a few story building.
Yep. The salad I was talking about, the crispy kale salad, halloumi cheese, warmer squash.
It's also a couple of stories high.
A couple of stories size.
Alex, ik denk, dit zijn aangelegd in de oven, je denkt?
Yeah, that was the
Dit wordt in de
Yes,
oven?
this was in the oven, the cheese, the halloumi cheese.
Comes out so
Very
crispy.
good. That dressing that we did is homemade with the honey mustard and the honey maple is delicious.
No way.
Delicious, top seller.
Wow.
the pizza.
This is everybody's favorite. It's a mushroom truffle pizza. Cheese, mushrooms, a little bit of arugula, Parmesan
Dit
cheese.
stak je er ook aan voor zo'n gerecht.
Arugula, yep.
Hij niet melig worden, ze hakken niet in broer.
This is our marshmallow brownie. Marshmallows, chocolate chip,
Wow,
a brownie,
wow, what's this?
hot cocoa. Very, very good. Delicious.
Wow. Ich gehe jetzt immer los von dir, weil ich schon getrunken von dem. Aber echt, heb ik hem nog tauschen.
Stay there. Oh,
There we go. This is our flex chip dish. A sea bass Wellington.
What's this? No way. Hoe is dit? Een stukje boeken?
wow, look at that smell. That smoke.
Smoke everything.
Still smoking that.
Hey, give me explanation. What's this? Give me explanation. Ervaar.
So you got grilled zucchini
Okay.
with grilled mushrooms,
Ja, I saw the mushrooms.
a nice sweet potato
juice.
sweet potatoes puree.
Okay.
With a
It is-
sea bass Wellington wrapped inside. It's delicious.
No way.
It's like the king of the party.
This is the king of the party.
Arege, I have to open it.
You want to cut it?
Give it a cut.
Yeah, cut.
Oh. Den ganzen.
Look at that.
No. Moet je gaat door de
It's infused in a pesto sauce, which is absolutely delicious.
Wow. 1 second. Another piece. Wow. The file. Your mama's chave penek. You know chave penek?
How is it? You like it?
A lot.
Perfect, family. Perfect.
Next, no.
Matke, you're going all wild over there.
It's mama's crazy. It's all the mushrooms, all the. Just 1 second, this one. I made a little bit, but it was so good to look. The look was so good. It was tasty.
You ever saw somebody eat with such appetite, Rafal?
Excuse me?
You ever saw somebody eat with such appetite?
Never. He loves this. He's all over it.
Dachi? Was it Dachi?
Nachos.
Nacho. Yo, this is so
Can't get
good.
enough of it.
Yeah, never.
So good.
Let's hear the crunch. The crunch of the nachos, Kevin.
3, 2, 1.
Did you hear that crunch? The nacho crunch?
Wow.
He can't get enough of this. It's unbelievable.
Echt meng met een sharamba's.
Try this pizza. You're gonna love it.
Dus nog?
Yeah, try it.
Echt meng met een sharamba's op gaan.
Okay.
Gewoon kan bij de roggelig.
The ruggle, he's busy with the
De
ruggle.
roggelig. De roggelig af den. Zo maakt hem zo'n sfeer.
Gemaakt hem zo'n of the king.
Ja.
He's telling us to wait. Rafal. Rafal, you're mesmerized at him. Forget about
Daar
it.
heb ik ervaar.
Would you look at that?
My café,
Like a vet.
the best place. No, it was the ride from Monsey, the 20-25 minutes,
25 minutes worth it?
just for the pizza. I'm not talking about the dachi and the sweet potato. This is for sure, just for the pizza. It's so fresh.
Nice, delicious, fresh.
And
Let me say from the heart.
The heart. Smatke, the heart.
fresh.
Make from the heart.
All right. What is going to be the Perlowitz promotion today? We got to do a nice promotion over
I
here
think
today.
we should do a nice promotion. CP50, Monday through Wednesday. We're gonna give you a $50 off if you spend on your subtotal $150 for all the families.
No
It doesn't
way.
matter if you
No
come
way.
from Monsey, from Linden, from Teaneck, from Borough Park, even our locals. Everybody. Williamsburg, Monroe, Linden, wherever you guys are coming from, we're gonna give you a promotion. You come,
Say Kai and Perlowitz CP50.
CP50, you come in, you tell us about it, $150, we would love to give you so you can try it.
So $50 off.
$50 off.
Okay, I'm going to spend $150 and you got $50 off.
En af en onder promotion, is weet je toch, jede dollar is weer.
Okay.
As well, we have a Resi promotion going on. If you register through Resi and you have the American Express card, you get $100 off. You have to go that through Resi and
So give me the website.
Resi.com. It's our where you book for your
Dinner.
For dinner, yes. For your reservations. You book your reservations.
Resi.com and you get
$100 off.
Kevin, you heard that? The Resi.com, $100 off. If you have an Amex,
you can do that, and it's $100 off.
Well, Kevin, even if you don't have an Amex, even if you don't make the $150 off, this place, My Cafe, is worth it from anywhere. You guys are open every day from?
We're open up every day, Sunday through Thursday, 10:30 to late, and to 9:30, 10 o'clock. And Saturday night, we're open from 7 to 11, too late.
Kevin, the matzo shop is coming from Linden, coming from Monsey, Mondo, wherever you are. It's 10 minutes from American Dream Mall.
10 minutes, I was going to say, 10 minutes from American Dream Mall, 30 from Linden, 30 from Monsey, Monroe,
25 from Monsey,
25 from Monsey, 25.
He went through a couple of red lights. But Kevin, come in, tell Rafael you saw the video, tell him it was a beautiful video, and make sure you get the $50 promotion off on your order. The address is?
The 119 Main Avenue in Passaic, New Jersey.
119 Main Avenue, Passaic, New Jersey. My Cafe.
My Cafe. Come visit us at My Cafe.
I'm going to put the phone number on the screen right here. If somebody wants to book a private party, somebody wants to book a Chef Rocks, an event.
And then you can call, you book, you call us. We will be happy to do anything what you like. Just call us. Give us a call.
Kevin, give us a call.